Looking for an easy way to customize your DualSense controller? Grab the faceplate from a website link in description bio. Start by trying out the original faceplate with the tool provided in the box. Take it out carefully by wiggling it out of place. Grab your new faceplate and begin putting it in carefully. Make sure that the horns, the white things, stick it out, go inside of the controller, and click it in like so. Repeat the click-in process for each side. And you're done. Enjoy your new controller.